Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Today is such a fun one. You guys love these videos and you love these stickers. So when we release a new digital printable kit, we sometimes try and release a matching collection of stickers with them, and that is what this is today. To show you the digital kit first so you can kind of see how it all matches and comes together. Here it is. It is called Woodland Wonder and it is gorgeous. I've loved creating a journal with it and I'm really excited to show you guys easy tutorials, lots of junk journaling ideas, and some beginner-friendly inspiration for you guys. So without further ado, let me show you this month's stickers. These have sold out so many times. Not these exact ones, we have never done these exact ones, but every time we release stickers, they've sold out so quick. And so this time I made sure to stock up on a ton. So you will receive 2 of each design. I'm just showing you the 5 here, but you receive 2 of each, 10 sheets total. These letters are a classic. Some beautiful, beautiful mushrooms. Some of my favorite to use specifically in this kit. I thought just really versatile and fun. Some stamps with lots of really cute butterflies, ephemera pieces. I don't know what you call these, but I love them. They're just like some black and clear decals, and I'll show you what they look like in a journal in a second. They are so much fun. And then of course some neutral shapes and labels. So the cool thing about these stickers is they have a matte finish over them. So you're not going to get a ton of glare as you would with a lot of other stickers. They work really wonderful for junk journaling, and you don't have to have the digital kit to get these. These can just be a fun little treat for yourself. They're fun in bullet journaling. They're just fun overall. They make really wonderful gifts. Just a lot of good stuff in here. So I'm going to show you guys a few ways I've used this in my journal. Now this journal is kind of a surprise, so I don't want to show you too much. The journal I made this month looks kind of like this. Opens up on both sides and it's just really pretty. And I did indeed add some stickers. So here are those black decals I was talking about. They're gorgeous and so much fun to use in a journal. That is a mushroom sticker. There's a label sticker. I'm gonna hide the journal as I flip through it because I don't want to spoil the journal for you guys. It's kind of fun. Right here I added this page was just mushroom themed. You can see there's from the digital kit a mushroom, and so then I added 2 more okay, I'm getting confused. 2 more sticker mushrooms right there and there. Love it. Here's another sticker right here. Can't show you guys too much. I'm skipping some pages here because yeah, it's a surprise. Then right here we have 2 more mushroom stickers. You can see them there. Skipping. Here's another look at those really pretty decals. I'm just taking off some of the page so you guys can see. You can see how gorgeous those decals are, and you can't really even see the edge of the sticker. Like, it really does look like a rub-on. There's another one there. Another sticker. I think that's all I'm going to show you guys for now, but just a lovely journal. So much fun to incorporate stickers. Again, if you want them, just go to www.pinkmonarchprints.com and check them out. They are too much fun. And again, I ordered extra, so they hopefully won't sell out. You'll receive 2 of each design shown, 10 sheets total. They're 5x7, matte finish, and there was one more thing. Oh yes, free shipping to the US. There we go. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little video. Make sure to join us for the main event, which is our printable kit that is released literally today. You can get it at the best price, the digital kit, during the month of April 2025. Definitely, when you subscribe, you're going to get the best bang for your buck. But we also have it on Etsy. If you don't want a subscription, you just want to buy it one time, feel free to check it out on Etsy as well. You guys are seriously the best. We love this community. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe for lots of junk journaling fun, and we will see you in the rest of this month's videos. Goodbye.